Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Okay, now before we get started, I did just want to give a shout out to SM Beauty for partnering with me in this video. They sent me their whole edge control line, honey. Okay, the whole thing, 6 edge controls, okay, ranging from 24 to 48 hours. It is called Touchdown Edge Tamer. It is available at your local beauty spot though, so it's no excuse why you can't go get it. Okay, thank you. They do have all different scents. All 6 of them come with different ingredients. For example, the one I have here in the purple, this one is 36-hour hold, and it includes argan oil, tea tree oil, and some other shit up in here. Okay, the good stuff that you need for your hair. Okay, it's healthy, honey. Okay, go get you some, like right now. So yeah, thank you SM Beauty for partnering with me in this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so jumping right into it, I'm just showing y'all that my hair is about 3 weeks old. I'm using this Free Trust one-on-one braiding hair. It's already feathered and all that good stuff, so you really don't have to do nothing to it. Now I took down one of my braids and I'm just combing it out, getting that good out the roots and all that good stuff. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on it. Then I'm gonna put a leave-in conditioner over that to make sure that it's moisturized. And I'm just doing a link check on it hold, okay? Because guess what? Your girl got inches, okay? Inches. Now, leave a comment if y'all want to see me trim my hair because your girl is long overdue. But anyways, I'm using that leave-in conditioner. It's the Kinky Curly Not Today. Rubbing that all over my hair. I'm using that Touchdown Edge Tamer to tame these edges, baby girl, okay? Getting that smooth, getting that looking neat and clean. I'm going to use that edge tamer on my hair at the base of the root. Or at the base of the braid. Now what I'm doing now is taking about 3 pieces of hair and separating those, because those are going to be the 3 pieces that I add into the braid. And I don't take huge pieces because as you can see, I want my braids to be pretty skinny, so all the pieces that I take are pretty skinny. So yeah, now all I'm doing is starting off by braiding my regular hair like a regular braid. I'm just gonna braid that. Now you see where my thumb and my index finger is. I'm going to insert one piece of the hair that I separated right in between my index finger and my thumb, and that's where you're going to insert all the pieces of hair that you've separated. So as you can see, I put the hair in the middle of my index finger and my thumb. I grabbed the piece of hair that was wrapped around my middle finger, and I continued to braid with it, if that makes sense. It's going to be another angle where you can see it better. And this is what the braid looks like. It's really seamless. You can't even tell where I added in hair. So that's what you want to go for. Now, again, I'm going to go ahead and start by braiding my real hair. And it doesn't matter, at least to me, it doesn't matter how many times you braid your real hair. You just want to make sure you insert your small pieces of hair where your index finger and thumb is, because that's, in my opinion, the easiest way to do it. So as you can see, my thumb and my index finger, I'm going to go ahead and add the hair right there, and I add it right where it is folded over, so that way it's the same amount of hair on each leg. So I'm inserting it right there, and the hair wrapped around my middle finger, you're going to see me grab it with one leg like that, and then I'm just going to continue to braid it. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully I demonstrated it good. I'm not a good teacher, so I do apologize. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. Took me about 2.5 days to finish. I did use about 2.5 packs. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching.